Emphasizing the importance of good governance and positive leadership, the Lavukal House of Chiefs in the Russell Islands held its annual day event over the weekend at Marulaon Island, featuring a workshop and the installation of 4 new chiefs. Jan Kaukui, who attended the celebrations, filed this story.
The Lavukal House of Chiefs in Russell Islands in Central Islands Province over the weekend marked its annual day event at the Marulaon Island in West Russell Islands. The event started on Saturday with the leadership workshop for the chiefs, focusing on leadership, mindset and family governances. On Sunday, during the morning service, 4 new chiefs were enthroned before taking the oath of allegiance before Susan Kabau of Alice Willy legal firm after the service, including another previously enthroned chief. Facilitator of the workshop, Leslie Filiaumea, who worked with the Peace, Reconciliation and Justice Commission of the Malaita Diocese under the Church of Melanesia, said the training is important to guide the chiefs in their leadership journey.
Purpose for this workshop where happened throughout this weekend, hemi workshop where honorable member requesting based law leadership, family governance, waiting mindset transmission. Okay, this for training here. First session where we will do in the morning about this for session called family governance. One of the important family governance now, important for the chiefs here before take them up leadership position. Must focus on families first time. And then wife too part of this for leadership. Yeah? So time wife and husband to serve each other by leadership or dream inside of Russell Islands by him good. Because wife have understand and him not basic idea about this for family governance training. I'm not about that one. Then we will come now second session him about mindset transformation program. In order for the chiefs here, the leading people brought the Russell Islands almost current right mindset and behavior for leading people here. And then we'll come to the last training where me hold him here, session him about now leadership. In order for people here, especially Lavukal chiefs here for to take them up this leadership position, it's important for to serve all roles and responsibilities. Block also leaders. Have no intention to whole training here, and that's why we come and take them for the man here. And I got really happy to us after me finishing training. I learned a lot of things. Me hearing a lot of feedbacks from Okata concerning this for training here.
Savo Russell Constituency Development Officer George Hassa, in congratulating those new enthroned chiefs, also encouraged the chiefs to be responsible in their leadership. In terms of constituency development matters, Mr. Rassa encouraged the chiefs to set their proposal right and forwarded them to his office, whether it be from community, clans or tribes.
Congratulations, new chiefs, for coming into being so responsible for our people. So, me happy too much that before the Lavukal people and the Lavukal chiefs and our MP and those we have making promise now. That is a covenant between you and him, the Almighty. That is to the last ability of your being, by you so responsible for your people. For us constituency, for your development plans, for those whom you represent. Whether community, clan or tribe, set your proposals forward to the Constituency Development Office. That for long time blame by me for 7.
The event concludes with feasting, cultural entertainment and live band performances. Jan Kaukui, SIBC TV.